In today's video, I'll show you how to use presentation mode in Beautiful.ai. First, search for Beautiful.ai in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, select the presentation you want to present. After opening the presentation, you'll be taken to the editing page. From here, simply click the Present icon and your presentation will automatically start. While presenting, you'll notice navigation buttons at the lower right corner of the screen. Use the arrow buttons to move through the slides at your own pace. You can also click the box icon to view all slides and quickly jump to another page. To present in full screen, click the full screen icon for a cleaner view. For additional tools, click the menu icon shown as 3 lines. Inside the menu, you'll see the presentation title, your account, and the list of pages. You'll also find the pencil icon, which lets you draw or highlight directly on your slides. To stop drawing, click the pencil icon again at the bottom. Here, you can also access the slide grid, exit full screen, or switch to presenter view to see your notes. Finally, click Options in the menu. From there, select Exit Player to end the presentation and return to the editor. And that's it. That's how you use presentation mode in Beautiful.ai.